Welcome to section 2. In the previous section, we set up an app that uses Facebook and Redux to log a user into a welcome screen. We're going to build off of this app now and turn the welcome screen into a user's Instagram-esque picture feed. To start, you'll need to create an account on Pixabay. Pixabay is a platform where users can upload their own original works and we, as users, can access them for free as stock images. Go to pixabay.com/accounts/register. If you've already created a Pixabay account in the past, great. Otherwise, you'll need to sign up and confirm your email address to continue on. I was originally going to use the more popular Unsplash API, but they limit requests to 50 per hour, and the Pixabay limit is 5,000 per hour. Now we'll go to the API docs. Now that you have an account, you're eligible to use the Pixabay API. If you scroll down, you'll see that the API key is highlighted in green. This example link is going to be what we use to test that our API is set up properly. To test this, we'll be using Postman. There are other popular alternatives like Insomnia, REST, and Paw, but I'm going to go with Postman. If you don't already have Postman, download it at getpostman.com/downloads. When you open it, you'll see this page. First thing we'll do is create a GET request. You can name it whatever you want, but I'll call it Get Images. I'm going to save this request in a new collection called Pixabay. You could think of collections as a folder of similar API requests. Now I'll copy the link from the API docs and paste it into the URL bar. As you can see, the params filled up at the bottom. Since we don't want to get only yellow flowers, I'm going to remove the Q param. By default, the Pixabay API sets the number of pages to 1 and the number of images per page to 20. This will become more relevant later on in this section, but it's worth noting. And now we can see in the response an array of 20 image objects. If you click on one of the image URLs, it'll open a new Postman request. Sending this request responds with the new image. Great! We've successfully set up our Pixabay API account and made a request to the API using Postman.